lavarsi o lavare, sentirsi o sentire. Let's have a look at how to recognize and use reflexive verbs in Italian. First of all, you recognize a reflexive verb because of the ending si at the infinite form. Lavarsi, alzarsi, sentirsi. The one thing to know about reflexive verbs is that the action reflects on the subject. To use them properly, you need to remember that these verbs go together with a particle. There will be a specific particle for each subject, and this is how they look. Io, mi, tu, ti, lui, lei, si, noi, ci, voi, vi, loro, si. Lavarsi, for example, would look like this. Mi lavo, ti lavi, si lava, ci laviamo, vi lavate, si lavano. As you can see, except for the particles, the verb follows the normal conjugation for a regular verb. You can skip the subject, but you cannot skip the particle. Usually, the particle goes before the verb, but at the infinite, gerundio, and imperative, it goes after. Io mi lavo, io posso lavarmi. Be careful when you're using them, because if you forget the particle, the meaning changes completely. For example, sentirsi versus sentire. Io mi sento bene, reflexive. Io sento il rumore. With only one particle, you go from feeling to hearing. Another thing to remember is that these verbs always use essere at the past form. Io mi sono lavato. Tu ti sei sentito. Lei si è alzata. In fact, the regular form of these verbs will use avere at the past. Io ho lavato. Tu hai sentito. Lei ha alzato. If you want to practice them, this is the book that I always recommend. You will find a clear explanation, exercises, and solutions. In a nutshell, reflexive verbs are like any other verb. Just remember to use the particles. I hope this video was helpful, and as always, enjoy learning Italian.